Imagine yourself in a high-stakes gaming tournament, surrounded by fierce competitors, all vying for the top spot. The crowd is on the edge of their seats, the tension is palpable, and your keyboard is the only thing standing between you and that coveted championship title. In this high-pressure environment, every millisecond counts, and the right gear could be the difference between victory and defeat. That's where Dell's Alienware 16X Aurora Gaming AI Laptop comes in, a behemoth of a device designed to take on even the toughest opponents. In this review, we'll dive into the details of this beastly laptop and see if it lives up to the hype. For those who've been stuck with underpowered machines, throttling graphics cards, and frustratingly low refresh rates, the Alienware 16X is a breath of fresh air. The gaming market has evolved, and gamers demand more power, more speed, and more immersion. That's why the Alienware 16X packs the industry's most powerful processor, Intel's 24-core Ultra 9275HX, which redefines the boundaries of gaming performance and productivity. Whether you're a professional player or a serious gamer, this processor handles complex calculations and AI-enhanced tasks with ease, making it the ideal choice for the most demanding titles. But raw power isn't the only thing that sets the Alienware 16X apart. Its 16-inch WQXGA 240Hz display offers an exceptional visual experience, delivering vibrant colors, crisp text, and breathtaking visuals. With 100% DCI, P3 coverage, and support for G-Sync, you'll enjoy the ultimate gaming experience: seamless visuals, reduced ghosting, and faster frame rates. This display is a perfect example of why the Alienware 16X is an unparalleled gaming laptop. A high-performance processor and cutting-edge display might not be enough on their own, but paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, specifically designed for gaming workloads, they create a force to be reckoned with. This card is capable of delivering up to 798 AI TOPS and is equipped with 8 GB of GDDR7 memory, which translates to stunning graphics, realistic effects, and a competitive edge. If you need a laptop that can handle even the most demanding games, the RTX 5070 should give you the edge you need to take down your opponents. Of course, great gaming performance needs to be backed by robust storage and ample memory. The Alienware 16X features a 2 TB SSD and a generous 64 GB of RAM, providing ample buffer for loading large games, handling high-resolution textures, and multitasking. You'll enjoy lightning-fast loading times, reduced lag, and improved system responsiveness. This combination of storage and memory ensures that you can stay focused on what matters most, crushing your opponents. But we can't overlook the ports, connectivity, and expandability that this laptop offers. The Alienware 16X boasts an impressive array of ports, including 2 USB-A 3.2, 1 USB-C 3, 1 Thunderbolt 4 port, 1 HDMI 2.1, and a durable RJ45 Ethernet port. Whether you prefer a wired or wireless connection, this laptop caters to your needs. You'll also appreciate the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and a capable 1080p FHD RGBIR HDR camera, making it easy to connect with friends, family, and teammates. As a gaming laptop, usability is crucial. The OneZone RGB backlit keyboard is designed to enhance your gaming experience, providing an immersive and responsive typing experience. With a durable and spill-resistant design, this keyboard can withstand the rigors of marathon gaming sessions. Furthermore, the overall build quality and durability of the Alienware 16X are exceptional, making it a great investment for serious gamers and professionals. Now, let's discuss real-world testing. We threw the Alienware 16X at some of the most demanding games on the market, from AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Assassin's Creed Odyssey to competitive multiplayer games like Overwatch and Apex Legends. The results were nothing short of phenomenal. We experienced silky smooth frame rates, stunning graphics, and seamless gameplay. The Alienware 16X handled these games with ease, showcasing its exceptional performance and power. However, like any high-end device, the Alienware 16X also comes with some caveats. For example, the battery life is decent but not impressive, typically lasting around 4 to 5 hours under average gaming workloads. Also, the base price may be steep for some gamers, especially considering the availability of lower-end configurations. Additionally, the laptop's cooling system can be a bit loud during intense gaming sessions. When compared to other gaming laptops on the market, the Alienware 16X stands tall among the competition. It offers unparalleled performance, an exceptional display, and robust features that set it apart from the rest. While some users might find it pricey or have concerns about the battery life, the Alienware 16X is undeniably a top-of-the-line option that offers exceptional value for those who can afford it. In conclusion, if you're a serious gamer or a professional seeking a high-performance gaming laptop, the Dell Alienware 16X Aurora Gaming AI Laptop is a phenomenal choice. With its industry-leading processor, exceptional 240Hz display, and cutting-edge graphics card, this laptop provides an unparalleled gaming experience. If you're looking for a machine that can keep up with the demands of modern gaming, we'd highly recommend putting the Alienware 16X on your shortlist.